Well, today we are going to discuss the tables for number 29 and 21. The numbers which are on either side of a number ending with 0, they are always special. Being on the sides of 0, these follow a particular pattern. Because of this pattern, writing the table for any number ending with 9 or 1 is much easier. Let us do it for number 29. Right, when I look at the number 29, here the unit digit is 9 and the 10th digit is 2. Now, for the table for 29, first I will write 2. Now, for the next number multiplied by 2, what I will do is I will add 3 to the number 2. So, I'll keep on writing 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17, 20, 23, 26, 29. And for the unit digit, let us start with 9. Then I will start decreasing the unit digit by 1. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. So now we have the table for 29 from 1 to 10. Right, now what is it I am going to do for 11 now? Now from 29, actually for 11 I will have to add 3. So this will become 29 plus 3, 32. And what does it have to do? For 0, I need to subtract 1. Right? From 0, when I subtract 1, it becomes 9. But then, since 0 for subtracting, I need to borrow 1 from the previous one. So, this 32 becomes 31 and this becomes 9. 3, 1, 9. Now for 12, again start adding 3, 3, 3, etc. 34, 37, 40, 43, here decreasing order, that is decreasing by 1. So this way I am able to write the table for 29. Right? Now before discussing it further, let us concentrate on the next number 21. Now here the number is ending with 1. When it is ending with 1, first of all I will put 2 here. Since the number is ending with 1, I will keep adding 2 to the further table. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Here it is 1. Now in this case it is increasing. So I need to increase by 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now after 9 it is going to be 10. And after 18, if I add 2, it is going to be 20. Now adding this 1 here, this becomes 21 and 0. Is that clear now? Right? So when you look at number 10, I have added 1 here and I have added 2 here. Just because I have it becomes 10, it becomes 2, 1, 0. Now again for 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, keep on adding 2. 23, 25, 27, 29, 31, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope you understand the basics now. Let's look at the table for 3-digit number 149 and 141. Now, when you look at the number 149, the number end with 9. So, what is it we need to do? We need to keep on adding plus 15 for the 10th digit. Right? So, for example, here it is 149 When I add 15, it becomes 2, 9, right? 15, 44, 59. Please keep watching. I may be making a mistake. You have to point it out. Okay? 15, 74, 89, 104, 119, 134. Now 134 plus 15, it is 149. Now what about the unit digits? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. That's all. Now what other I am going to do now? For multiplying by 11, as I told you earlier, if I add 3 here, if I add 15 here, it becomes 164. But I need to subtract 1 there. So I will add only 14, 163, 9. Now by keep on adding 15, 178, 193, 208, 223. Now here it is 8, 7, 6, 5. Now what about 141? Since the number is ending with 1, in the unit digit it is 1, you have to add 14 to the 10th digit. Right? So 14, 28, 42, 56, 70, 84, 98, 112, 126. What about here? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now by adding 1 here, it becomes 10. So this 1 has to be transferred here. So what is it I will do? Instead of 14, I will add 15. So this becomes 1410. Right? Is it clear now? Now for this I will have to add 14. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Now in general, if I have a number, let us say A9, I will keep on adding A plus 1 to the most significant digit. In other words, if it is 79, 7 plus 1 is 8, I will keep on adding 8. If I have a number ending with 1, I will keep on adding A to the most significant digit. In other words, if the number is 71, I will be adding 7. Right? Now you can write whatever table you want. Sky is the limit. If the number is some 2414, 24149, well, you can write a table also for this. What is it you need to do? For this, you have to keep on adding 2415. Well, but it should be conversant with adding. If you are not comfortable with adding, forget it. Thank you.